Hey everyone, welcome back to Code of the Row. In this video, I have some exciting news for you. We're having the Best of Synty Humble Bundle. It's going to be 23 items for only $25. It has almost all my favorite packs from Synty. It has the Fantasy Heroes Modular Pack that you've probably seen in a ton of my previous videos. It has Biomes Pack of Tropical Jungles, the Polygon Dungeon Pack, which is actually my favorite, the Dungeons map, which is an addition to the Dungeon Pack, and the prototype pack, pirate pack, just a ton. They even have the simple version, so they also have stuff for battle royale, which comes with a ton of stylized guns, a $10 coupon to the store, and by the way, there is a Goblin camp pack coming out very soon from Synty. They announced their announcement trailer. Feel free to check that out on their Discord. It's amazing. And they have a ton of mobile ready assets that you can use. They have stuff like zombies, war packs, and so on. And this war pack, man, this one has a ton of things in it. Gang warfare and just so many things from Synty. I'm really surprised that they're already doing another humble bundle. I feel like we just had one and these packs are awesome. So here's a brief overview of what's in their modular pack. There are tons of different types of capes, armors. They all have a matching set and they're separated by parts. So for example, you can have different helmets, hats, headpieces, kneecaps, even left elbow and right elbow are different. All types of capes. They even have backpacks. They have tons and tons of different weapons, little bottles, potions, and so on. There's just so many. There's just so many assets that went into this, and yeah, probably one of my favorite packs that Synty has ever released. I love their modular pieces, and the best part is that when you equip this onto your Unreal skeleton, you don't have to manually attach it to a socket because it's all part of the same skeleton. They will automatically be attached to the same socket. And this is the Dungeons pack. It comes with some insane modular Dungeons kit, tons of enemies, weapons, armor, and so on. Really good NPCs, night pieces, AI enemies, such as these entire goblin camps, goblin furnitures, even some undead stuff or skeleton stuff. And yeah, overall, really, really cool. Really one of my favorite assets that you've seen in a ton of my videos. I use this one all the time. This is really my testing ground, honestly. And even the maps they create are perfect. I love all the maps that they've created for every single pack they've ever made. And yeah, this is all in one map, believe it or not. Everything you're seeing on the screen right now, all in one map. And yeah, probably one of the most underrated packs is their biome packs, in my opinion. Their biomes are really, really pretty, really, really beautiful. I love how their skies are. I love how all their meshes just blend together. And the best part about Synty assets is no matter what pack you use, they all have the same style. They all have the same theme. Everything meshes well together. I love the volcano, love the tropical trees, the boats, and so on. Yeah, everything that Synty has included is very well thought out and just an amazing pack. I cannot believe all of these packs are only 25 bucks and you get all 23 items. That's insane to me. And yeah, they even have a nighttime version of this stuff and a bunch of glowing assets in case you're trying to make a more magical or luminescent environment. A huge obelisk in the middle surrounded by trees. And yeah, I mean, I just really love these maps just so I can playtest on them. They look freaking amazing. And that's pretty much the sneak peek I'll be doing for these few assets. That's just I've only covered 3 assets out of their 23. So yeah, feel free to check out that humble bundle. Links in the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching Code of the Row. Thank you, Synty Studios, for doing this for us. Oh, and by the way, they are also having 30% off their entire store until October 11th. And yeah, thanks for watching Code of the Row. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.